Hey guys, today we are going to do an experiment to find out if it's easier to swim in sea water or river water. For this experiment we'll need 2 glasses filled with water, 2 limes which are the same size, some salt and a spoon. So we are going to add 2 spoons of salt into 1 glass of water, so it represents sea water. So the salty water represents sea water and the plain water represents river water. So now we'll put one lime in each glass. See, the lime in the river water sank and the lime in the sea water is floating. It is because sea water contains more salt as compared to river water. As a result, density increases, which makes it easier to swim in sea water. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to see the HeyGuys vlogs channel. The link is in the description below. Bye! See you in our next video.